आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello students. Question is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 where a is greater than 0. Sign of a is known. Has two roots alpha and beta such that alpha is less than -2 and beta is greater than 2. Then which of the following four options is correct? Okay students, let's solve this. First of all, I am going to draw a rough diagram because there is some information about both the roots and also sign of A. Here you can see sign of A is positive, which means that quadratic graph will be opening upward. Okay, so this is our x-axis, this is our y-axis. Now see, one root is less than -2. Suppose this is point x is equal to -2. And other root is x greater than 2. So I am going to consider this point x is equal to 2. No problem, students. One root is less than -2. Suppose this is our root alpha and here it is our root beta. Okay, so and graph and the curve is opening upward. Suppose this is our curve. No problem, students. First of all, I am going to check option 2. Here you can see b square minus 4 is this is discriminant and d is greater than 0. Of course, this is correct. Why? Because if two roots exist for any quadratic, then d should be greater than 0. And c is also less than 0. How to find this? See, this is our y-axis. If you consider this quadratic as fx is equals to ax square plus bx plus c, and you will find value of f of 0, then you will get value of f of 0 c, and f of 0 point is over here. So see, this is 0 comma c point, and you can see this is on y-axis, below x-axis, this point is on y-axis and below x-axis, so c coordinate will be, y coordinate will be negative. So value of c is less than 0. Option 2 is correct. Okay, now let's check other options. Now see, I am going to check this statement. There is mod b, but in question there is no mod. So this statement will be correct. This statement will be correct at two conditions. Okay, when a minus b plus c is less than 0 and a plus b plus c is less than 0. This both statement is definition of this single statement. So we'll have to check this both statement. If this both statement is correct, then option 1 is correct. And similarly for option 3rd, okay, for a minus 2b plus c, for a plus 2b plus c, if you want to remove mod. Okay, now see, there will be point -1 and here it will be 0.1. At x is equals to -1, value of this will be negative, and at x is equals to 1, value of this will be negative. So I am going to find f of 1. At x is equals to 1, value of this will be, at x is equals to 1, here we will put 1. So this will be a plus b plus c. A plus b plus c, and this will be less than 0. And at x is equals to -1, this value will be a into -1 square a, b into -1 minus b. So this will be a minus b plus c, and this will be less than 0. And here you can see both statement is correct over here. So from this we can say this statement is also correct. Now for option 3rd, I am going to find sign of 4a minus 2b plus c. If this is less than 0 and 4a plus 2b plus c, and if this is less than 0. If this both statement is correct, then we can say option 3rd is also correct. So I am going to find this both value at f of 2 and -2. So at x is equals to 2, 2a square will be 4a And at x is equals to 2, this will become plus 2b plus c. And at x is equals to minus 2, this will be 4a minus 2b plus c. Okay, and this both is less than 0. Why less than 0? Because x is equals to 2, this point lies downward of x-axis, and at x is equals to minus 2, this point is also lying downward of x-axis. So for both the points, y coordinate is negative. So you can see this is also correct option. We can't say anything for fourth option. Why? Let me explain you. The only thing we know about the roots is beta is greater than 2. Beta is greater than 2. And alpha is less than minus 2. And this will get by putting x equals to 3. So suppose this point is x equals to 3. So graph can go right hand from x equals to 3 and also from left hand of x equals to 3. Okay. So we don't know exact position. But at x equals to 2, we know that graph will always go in right hand side, not from left hand side. So we know exact position of graph between minus 2 to 2, but not know exact position of graph after 2 and before minus 2. So we can't say anything about value x greater than 2 and value of x less than minus 2. Okay, so this option 4 is not incorrect. We can't say anything about this option 4. Thank you, students.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।